In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a listing on Vestiaire Collective. Deleting a listing might be something you need to do to keep your inventory organized, or perhaps the item you had for sale is no longer available. Regardless of the reason, I'm going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and straightforward. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. Once the search results appear, click on the first link to navigate directly to their website. This will generally be the homepage of Vestiaire Collective. Once you're on the homepage, find and click on the Sign In option. It's important to ensure you're logged in to access all your account features. Use your existing account credentials to log in. Now, if you've forgotten your password, most websites, including Vestiaire Collective, provide a reset option, so no worries if that happens. After you're successfully signed in, direct your attention over to your profile icon and give it a click. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Selecting your profile will bring up several options. You'll want to click on the Account Settings tab. This area of the site holds all the important information and settings regarding your account, so it's imperative to know your way around here for any future changes too. Next, proceed by clicking on the Listings section. This is where you'll have a comprehensive view of all current items you have on the site for sale. It's a great way to keep track of everything you've listed and manage any potential buyers. Within this listings interface, you'll be able to see all items currently available under your account. Review the list and locate the specific item you wish to delete. Once you've found it, follow the appropriate prompts to remove the item from your active listings. Remember that once you delete a listing, it may not be reversible, so ensure this is indeed the action you wish to take, and there you have it. Selling online can sometimes feel overwhelming, which is why taking such clear and decisive actions like deleting unnecessary listings can help in maintaining an organized and stress-free environment. In any case, once an item is deleted, it reduces clutter and makes managing your items much clearer and efficient. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful in effectively managing your listings on Vestiaire Collective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any additional questions or need further guidance. See you in the next video.